Hey everyone, welcome to another video for Stay Outside and Explore. Today I'm giving you an update on my wife's 2015 Ford Escape, and the update is on the no start, no crank, where I replaced the fuses behind this I don't know, fuse panel or whatever like that. It's been running great ever since. Haven't had a problem. So let's give it a try. Show you. Starts right up. You can see she's got 142,000 miles on it, and it's running like a champ. The only thing is, it's starting to make a lot of rattling noises. You know, hey, it's a 2015. It's almost 10 years old. And you can hear it's running. It's running. It's actually purring. It's 6 engine. So, yeah. I just wanted to give you an update on her car. Like I said, it's running really good. So I hope people, I did a video last April, I think it was, and April or May, on the no crank, no start. And we put the fuses in there and stuff like that, and ever since then it's been running good. And I know, for me having a small channel, 456 subscribers, I've had almost 12,000 views on that first video that I put out. So I just wanted to give everybody an update on this thing is running really good yet, knock on wood. So subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Take care.